Hi everyone, this is Pierrick from P2 Design. I'm super happy to announce the release of this new course. I'm a Blender Foundation certified trainer and a 3D generalist, and I now work as an art director and a lead 3D artist in the game industry. This course is over 9 hours long. It's divided in 9 chapters with 47 videos for ease of use. All the files, including the Z tool, the blend file for every step, the Substance Painter file, the textures, and all the OBJ, HDRI, etc. I'm using are also available. We learn together how to create a game character with PBR shaders and a pretty low poly count that will fit every current generation engine. So let's now see what's in the course together. After a quick review of the available files inside the course, I will present you a very basic overview of ZBrush, which I'm using for sculpting in this course, but you can use whatever software you want. It could be Blender, 3D Coat, Modo, Sculptris, or ZBrush Lite. This tutorial is not software based. I'm not here to teach you how to use the different software. Since I've made all my previous tutorials using Blender, I try as much as I can to explain you how I will do this in Blender. So if you are a 3ds Max or Maya user, you can absolutely follow this course. A big part of this course will be focusing on sculpting, because we will shape and extract most of the detail of our character from the sculpting stage. While I won't be teaching anatomy because I don't think I have the level 2, I will give you my tips to properly shape your character, and I will provide you some references to do so. All the main steps of the production of the character will be combined with step-by-step videos, narrated videos, and also time lapses whenever we are going over repetitive stage. Every important technique will be highlighted through notes, detailed information, and graphics. Every single step from the very first sphere to the final product are shown in the videos. So we'll see how we sculpt the full character, how we create the armor and accessories, whether using sculpting or classical modeling, to achieve our finished high poly model ready to be retopologized, baked, and then convert to a game engine character. For the retopology stage, I will be using Blender, but you can use whatever software you're comfortable with. Since this is not the most complicated stage, I will be mostly focusing on the important things, giving you some tips to have a good flow in your topology and good deformation for further use of the model. Then we will see how to create UVs and unwrap our character, and then optimize those UVs for video games and for any kind of assets in general. I will then guide you through the baking of the different textures and give you some technique to optimize this stage so that you won't have that much work to fix your textures. Then we'll see how we can initiate texturing inside of Blender, inside of Photoshop, so that you can figure which kind of workflow fits you the best, and finally switch to Substance Painter for the full texturing workflow. In the end, we'll go over the setup of our character to be rendered in Eevee, and I will give you some tips to make quick poses and preparing rendering for your presentation. All of this will be covered within the 9 hours of this course, and I think, depending on your level, that it should take you from 40 to 60 hours of work to achieve this character. I hope this video was informative enough. If you have further questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section, and I will make my best to answer as fast as possible. I hope you've enjoyed this presentation and I will see you very soon.